Principle of equilibrium. The principle of equilibrium are a fundamental concept in biophysics and engineering that describe and condition under the which system is in state of balance. These principles are based on Newton's law of motion and the mechanism of force. First, First condition of equilibrium, the system is in transitional and equilibrium when the net force acting on it is zero. This ensures there is no linear acceleration of system. Mathematically, epsilon force is zero. This can be broken down into the component. Second condition Second condition of equilibrium, the system is in rotational equilibrium when the net torque acting is on zero. This ensures there is no angular acceleration of the system. Mathematically, epsilon tau is zero. Third, static equilibrium is a special case where the object is at rest, meaning both the net force and net torque are zero. Fourth, dynamic equilibrium. In dynamic equilibrium, a system moves to constant velocity or rotate at a constant angular, and though the system is in motion, the net force is net torque remaining zero. Ensure the change in motion. Practically, application structure analysis ensure stability of binding and freeze. Mechanical design balancing rotate part in machinery. Physics experiment determining unknown force, the torque and system. Conclusion, understand the principle of crucial the solving problem involve force, torque and motion in various scientific and ensuring contexts. Biological systems follow the principle of thermodynamic diffusion is high concentration to lower concentration. Osmosis water move across membrane. Balance solute membrane potential the equilibrium for ion. Cell membrane to Nernst equation. Thank you.